Check this out. I got this as my weapon. I gotta make it to the car to get the umbrella. Got the keys. Wait till you see this, boy. Wait till you see this. Whew. Wait, doesn't look so bad yet, huh? Wait till you see this. I need the umbrella, though, before the camera gets destroyed. Long Island. Whoa, whoa, whoa. See? Look at this. 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 I gotta get in there. Look. Look how high it is. Look at this. Crazy, man. Look. Look, 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 look. Look, 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 look. Gotta get this. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. Let's get in there. Not too shabby. Come on, man. Look at that. Did I just lock it? Get in there. Get the car started. Alright, let's do this. Alright, I'll hit you up in a second. Over and out. Okay, shout outs. Yankees Outdoor Adventures. Know you be proud of your boy here. I had fun getting out here for the first time in years. I was excited to get out in the snow. This was playtime in the snow. This was fun. Gonna do a quick get to the house. Shout out Mikey boy. Rode down bipolar. I owe you like 93 shout outs. We're gonna get to the crib. Mission accomplished. Let's do it. This is what I did. Check it out. You did not hear that from me. Check it out. Do it. Let's do it. Mission accomplished. Dug out the car. Enough. We'll come out later. Mission accomplished.